Hey folks, about a year ago, we launched a daily Ono Circle where someone from each department scours a specific area for improvement opportunities using a 26-step inspection checklist. The goal was to uncover problems and drive continuous improvement, and it was working. We were finding hundreds of things to fix every week. But over time, we also noticed that the checklist itself had become a form of waste. It was too detailed, it was hard to follow, and people spent more time reading than actually improving. So, to simplify the process, our team did a 3S on the checklist itself. We reviewed every line, removed anything that didn't add value, we combined duplicates, and we used simpler language. Now everything fits neatly on one side of the page, and it's grouped into six easy categories: safety, standardization, ergonomics, tools and equipment, materials, and environment. The result is a checklist that's faster to use, easier to understand, and helps everyone focus on what really matters, which is spotting waste and sloppiness and acting on improvement opportunities that make our workplace safer and leaner every day. It's also a great reminder that even processes that are working can always be improved further. Thanks so much.